And in that process, I did do some experimentation with Julia. As a matter of fact, I think I wrote an article on Julia. Yeah, I think I did. And one of you guys will find it. I'm sure it's out on the internet somewhere. But I even wrote an article on Julia because I do think it's an interesting language. Excuse me, but I just don't have the demand for it. I just don't see the demand at the corporate level for it. Because again, most data scientists, you're going to end up working for some large, enterprise company. But I just don't see it being demanded out there. So I love the question. I love that you're thinking that way. It's very good for data science, and because it's very fast. Julia is an extremely fast language. But I just don't see the demands. So if somebody is coming to me saying, should I learn Julia or should I learn Python? I would tell you Python every single time. There's just no demand for the Julia language. But thanks for the question. Love the question. Piyush says, hello, sir. I've completed my data science with machine learning. I didn't learn about deployment. Okay, Piyush. Yeah, you are not alone. That is a very, very common thing. And this is an opportunity for me to tell you about my book.